Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. In this video, you will see the conversation between doctor and patient. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Excuse me.
Yes, please. Have a seat.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Pari.
What is your problem?
I have a toothache.
I am recommending you a well-known dentist and take his appointment.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning. I had an appointment with the doctor.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Pari.
Okay, please take a seat. Come in, please. Doctor is waiting for you.
May I come in, doctor?
Yes, please. Take a seat.
Thank you.
What brings you here?
I have a toothache.
Let me have a look. Open your mouth wide. Does it hurt when I touch it?
Yes, it's pain.
I am prescribing mouthwash. Rinse out your mouth with it and clean your teeth twice a day. Don't eat chocolate too much.
Okay, doctor. Thank you. How much shall I pay?
200 rupees. So friends, hope you learned how to describe your illness. See you soon in my next video. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned.